Hey y'all, it's Courtney Shanice back with another banger. Today we have Saya and Savvy. Savvy and Saya. You know, the cute new couple. Yes, confirmed because people keep asking. But yeah, y'all are going to see they're out to eat. You know, they've been living life, living great. But y'all, she actually read my comment. She knew who I was on the comments. Bro, I don't know. Y'all just stick around and see. Leave a comment down below and make sure you hit that subscribe button.
really didn't know what the fuck she was doing, y'all.
Actually, y'all, I wanted to take it and pop it, but she was scared.
She was about to pop it on her brand new New York.
Yeah, I know what I was doing. I don't want to put my lips on it. You should take my champagne away. Yo, this the girl that be recording our live. She over here promoting that shit. She talking about subscribe to my YouTube at Courtney at Night for Saya and Sammy's live. That's out of pocket. What the fuck? And then she gonna promote it on my live. Like, yo, go ahead.
Yo, that's mad wild that she read my comment. Like, I'm just showing love, you know. They're a cute couple. Like, I still can't believe she read my comment to Saya. Talking about, look at her promoting on my live. I'm done, bro. I'm done.
It's like the first club I've been in since COVID. The acting of Oakley. You wanna say hi? I just playing with you. Hey, yo. He better not ever do that shit again. He out of pocket. He's not your friend. Like, he's really not your friend. That's so out of pocket. I was at my best friend on fucking face, and her nigga called me a hoe, and she ain't say shit to him. Bitch, you better let that bitch go. He don't really fuck with you.
How many of y'all feel savvy with that advice that she gave that girl? I mean, your loyalty to your friends, I mean, do you take it serious? Or it's like, okay, that was her dude. So it's like, it wasn't her, but it was her dude. But she still should have checked him. I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. But anyway, keep enjoying this live from Savvy and Saya. Oh, yeah, and she tried to play me. I know y'all heard Savvy talking about, y'all, I mean, she said, hey, this Courtney live at night in my comments right now. The girl who be recording my lives. Now, look, I kept trying to get her to see I only record because I get requests. And, you know, I'm going to do what the people ask. You know what I'm saying? So, it's all love, though.
But love, I'm just here. Open the up. Calling the fuck up. With me and mine.
thank y'all for tuning in for another live, Courtney Live at Night. And shout out to Saya and Savvy because they're a beautiful couple. And I just want to let y'all know that I will be doing a giveaway at 5K. So I'm giving away $300. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and put your post notification bell on so you'll be notified every time I post. And don't forget to make sure you tune in to my Instagram as well at Courtney Shanice, because I also do giveaways there too. All right, y'all. See you on the next video. Put some butterflies in the comments below if you made it this far. You a real one.